Valentine's gnome and learn colors. Brown, orange, blue, green, yellow, pink, brown, purple, and red. Zoo! So let's start. Hello everyone, Asma's Kids Color. Hello everyone, welcome to Asma's Kids Color, the channel where you can learn how to draw step by step and create amazing drawing for kids and learn colors. My name is Asma and I love to share my passion for art with you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, you will find something amazing and exciting to do on this channel. So grab your pencil, brushes and colors and let's get started. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my coloring time. Red. It's red color. Red heart. Kids, red color is my favorite. What's your color? What's your favorite color? R-E-D, red. Red color. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy. Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy. Brown. It's brown color. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Kids, it's brown color. Guess the word next color. Kids, guess the next color. It's yes. It's purple. Kids, it's purple color. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Yankee Doodle went to town a riding on a pony. Stuck a Purple. Purple. Very good job. You are doing so good, kids. It's sky blue color. Kids, it's sky blue color. SKY, sky, BLUE, blue, sky blue color. It looks amazing. The gnome taking heart on Valentine Day. We can also call the Valentine Day a Rose Day. We express our love on this day to our loved ones. Express your love with your loved ones. Yellow color, heart, yellow color. Some heart have yellow color. Kids, it's yellow color. Guess the next color. Yeah, yellow. YELLOW. Yellow color. Yellow is my favorite color. Oh wow, really? You like the yellow color? Yeah. Amazing. Okay, the next color is light pink color. I use light pink color for the beautiful flower. Do you like flowers? Yeah, I love flowers. Okay, guess the next color. So we use green color. For the green color, I use green color for the leaves and also for the arms. Arms with combination of yellow color. Okay, I hope you like my video today. I hope you enjoyed this episode where we learn how to draw Valentine's gnome step by step. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun and creative videos. And remember, you can always color your dreams. So see you next time. Bye bye.